Everyday chat and chart live during the New York session. Here, real traders share the raw truth, their mindset, technical analysis, and execution. This is where real traders show their skill set. Welcome to Tradin TV. This is your stage to shine.
Hello.
Hello, hi.
What's up?
How are you
What's up?
guys?
I'm good. Hi, Rosa, HERAMANI, bro. What's up?
Hi.
Can you hear me?
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear, bro. I think Rosa has some mic issue. Okay. So, what's up, HERAMANI? What's going on, bro?
Yeah, I'm on my position right now.
Is it gold buys or not?
Yes. One
Yeah.
in gold, one in
Same
gold, and another in ZU and NU.
Okay. Rosa, is your mic is not working? I think she's paused. Last time when I was on trading stream, gold price was 3,300. Now it's about to close near to $4,000. Crazy gold.
Okay, bro. And I have a very interesting story.
Yeah, I'd love to hear.
So,
Hello.
Hi, Rosa.
hi.
We can
Can you
hear
hear
you.
me?
Yeah, we
Yes,
can
yes,
hear
we
you,
can.
Rosa.
Finally. Sorry, guys. Something
That's
was
fine,
wrong
bro.
with my mic.
Yeah, we have a story from HERAMANI side. Yeah, HERAMANI, go ahead.
So, I have a $50,000 master account that I have been trading from last September in FundingPips, almost 1 year old account. So that account I withdraw more than six times, I think so. I already withdraw 6 times on that account, and I was
Okay.
profitable from last a few months, and from August I was down around 6% on August, and then on September first week and second week of September again I was lost consecutively. I was lost, and that account just only left $11 on that account to blow up. And from last week I risked $5 on that account, and then I bring up to like nearly almost 1% right now. So I'm trying
Wait,
to recover that from just
is it
$11.
$500 from $5?
Yes. Now almost $350 right now.
Okay.
I already recovered almost $350. But let's see, I will track. It was
Yeah.
very crazy for me.
Interesting. Imagine if you recover the whole account and get the withdrawal again on that
Bro,
same account.
it will be fire, bro. It will be fire.
It will be like a miracle. Yeah, you have a position, HERAMANI. You can show, I'll show it
Sure,
up
sure,
to you.
sure.
I'm managing something.
Okay, sure.
Actually, I have a bias on 3967 and TP is my 3977 with the stop loss of 3962. Overall, it is 1:2 days reward. So you can share your screen as well.
Sure.
It will be like, guys, if you are watching this stream, please share this with your friends and invite them to
Guys, can you
watch
see
this stream.
my screen now?
Yeah, bro, we can see.
Yes.
Okay, so this was a buy setup on gold. It was kind of a scalping type. I entered this trade on 5 and 15-minute time frame. My TP is over here, so let's see. I hope it will get my TP in just a moment. So I took this trade around 2 hours before. So I'll explain how I took this trade. So gold is in very, very bullish momentum in higher time frame. Let's see on daily time frame and weekly time frame as well. So I'm very, very interested until 4,000. I want to see to reach 4,000 for gold. So until then, I'm very bullish. And from silver have an all-time high around in $50. So until silver get this all-time high, I'm still bullish on gold. After that, only I will see for some retracement. So after that, in London session, this is in 4 hour time frame. This is a small fair value gap over here, and this is an order block. So in London session, it tapped to this opening price of this order block in 4 hour time frame, and then it beautifully respected this order block and this 4 hour fair value gap. You can see the closing of this candle is very beautiful right here. And after that, I go down to 15 minutes, 15-minute time frame, and I wait for this break of structure over here, this high. I wait for this high to break of structure, and then I wait for this retracement. And in this retracement, I can see, I'll show you here, this 15-minute fair value gap over here, and this red line, this dotted line, this is a breaker block. So I already took over here. It was only 0.5% risk on my another challenge account. So it was almost hit my TP now. Just I took only 1:2 risk to revert over here. So that's my setup on gold. And another one on GU. I took a sell on GU. This is not a scalping type. This is on higher time frame. I took this on a 1 hour time frame. So I just hold this trade from London session. Yes. I took my entry over here. So this is my entry on London session, and in a 1 hour time frame, I just wait for this drop, and then I wait for some little bit retracement. And in 4 hour also, the candle closing is very nice in this candle. So I wait for this retracement, and still I'm holding this trade. My TP is somewhere around here. So this is my setup for now. And I'm looking for buy on NAS, but it doesn't give me the entry level. I'm waiting this level to tap in. So my plan was to buy from here, somewhat like this. This could be my setup, but it doesn't give me my setup. That's why I'm still looking for NAS right now. So what are your plan, guys?
Actually, I'm also in bias. I just took trade. Let me share my screen quickly.
You can share your chart as well.
Yeah.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear
Okay.
you. Can you see my screen? Hermani, Rosa.
Yes, now.
Yeah, actually, so far I took two trade. First trade was in Asian session, somewhere around here at the like previous day highs. I took this trade on my futures account and FundingPips account as well. So after like this move, we have a one way downside movement in London session,
Yes.
and most of the time I see gold doing same thing again and again. Once this 4 hour sweep the previous 2 3 candle lows, and on the 1 hour time frame, once it sweep this kind, we have a like demand here as well. You see, or you can call it order block, whatever you want. And I was waiting for the candle which gave me a confidence so that I can buy. So this was the enough good candle. I'm talking about this, that we can go up higher, and I am bullish till 4,000 for sure, and I'm looking only most of the time in my like future CFD funded accounts only buys, and I'm like avoiding doing sales, because if I'm selling 10 times in this bullish market, that is for sure I'm against the odd, I'm against the trend. So I might be like I might lose 8 times out of 10. So that's why I'm looking forward to buys only, and we have to still like reach 300 pips in order to reach $4,000 on gold. So yeah, this was my like entry. If I show you on 5 minute time frame, it is still running, and I will be exit at 3977. And also it's a today's high, so it could be like we can go to there and make some like triple tops and whatever people call. And yeah, this is the trade, and I'll see if this reverse. I'll take whatever like rational decision should take, and this will be the like a level where we could see some rejection. So I'll see the reaction coming
Mhm.
from the price action at 3973. And I see silver as well, but I don't trade as of now. But silver is also bullish, and I always notice that if silver is bullish, so like if gold make like 100 pips move, so silver automatically gives 200 pips at the same time. So this is completely bullish, as we can see. So that's why I planned bias, and
Mhm.
I'm looking forward till like 4,000. I might trail this trade as well, but we'll see how this will play out. So as of now, I'm only have into this position. You guys can share yours if you
Okay,
want,
nice.
and yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So I did some buys this morning. Can you hear me properly? It's because I'm
Yes,
listening
yes,
with
yes, yes.
echo. It's something's wrong with the speakers. Okay, let me share. Can you see my screen? Yes, you can. All right.
Yes, yes.
So I did some buys this morning. The first one was actually a mistake, but it was a buy, but not at this point. It should be kind of here. But anyway, I just assumed the mistake, and that's it. And then I recover the losses with these other buys. I was I have my level, like my target here, but
Mm-hmm.
because I recovered the losses and have some profit, I didn't want to risk it. This is my personal account, this is not prop firm. So I didn't want to risk it. And then I closed all. And now, as you guys said, gold's going up like crazy. I think it's chasing 4,000. So I could have ended having even more profit, but honestly, I didn't want to risk it, and I'm not at my prime today. I'm very sleepy, so that's the decision I made. But still, all in all, some profits, so good. Now I'm waiting for a retracement, at least to this area here, and then I'll try to think about buying again. But let's see, because it's quite bullish now. So I think it's going up until this area here, and then it'll decide what to do. But my day is already made, so not sure I'm going to trade anymore today. Let's see how it goes.
And I think there
Mm-hmm.
is no
That's
news
good.
today as well. I see there's no
Oh,
red window
didn't
news.
check. Actually, let me check.
No, there is no
No
news.
news. Okay.
So,
Yes.
to fix, someone is asking, are you trading in Nasdaq or S&P 500?
No, I don't trade Nasdaq. And futures, I trade gold as well only. Because I like the price action. I understand basically the same thing. And CFD and future charts is similar to like price could be changed, but price action and the behavior is like same. I tried
Okay.
Nasdaq, but it gave me heart attack on 1 minute time frame. So I decided to stay away from it. And yeah, actually, I have an account and a different farm account where I am like in winning streak of 9 days. And after 3 days, I have a withdrawal. So futures is going great with me, like as I'm doing 1 minute time frame. So I was not big fan of futures before this, but since I am trading funding ticks and a few other firms, So yeah, it's working for me. So, and my focus, like whatever suits me, whatever giving me result is obviously something where I have to put my focus more. So yeah, like I have more funding in futures even than CFD forms.
Do you trade
Oh,
minis or micros?
Micros, yeah.
Fantastic. Yeah, good choice. Yeah, futures are faster to me to withdraw from, but I think CFDs, funding pips, is not. It's a little bit slower than futures, but you get to withdraw higher amounts. At least
Yeah.
that's my case. So I'm always debating which one is best, and I think it's having both is just the perfect combination.
Actually, I noticed that like you can withdraw if you buy the 50K account of funding ticks, it will cost you only $90 if you use someone's affiliate code. And with that $90 you can withdraw $5,000 at a time. And this is not big. If I buy a 10K CFD account, I will get a 10K account, and with the withdraw total drawdown will be $1,000. I can never ever make $5,000 from a 10K account. It means like 50% of gain. And
Yeah.
even after making 50%, you will get only 80% profit split. I think that will be around $4,000. So if you wanna withdraw 5K, you have to make, I guess, somewhere around $6,000, and that will be 60% on funded account. No one does this, man. So yeah,
Mm.
futures has a potential that you can like withdraw $5,000 with just 90K. But like risk reward is huge in futures.
yeah, 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 yeah.
Comparatively, you are going to lose. Yeah, that is for sure. A trailing drawdown is there. And my major, like I was scared from futures just because of trailing mechanism. But I like a lot of funding ticks like EOD based. That's working good for me. Yeah.
But the trailing is end of the day, right?
Yeah, that's so
Yeah.
good. That's give me confidence to like enter into this. And before that, I was just like scaring from this. It had a equity mechanism trailing, so I'm going to just blow my account. Cause I like hold high risk reward trades.
Mm.
So till now, I didn't try any future trade, but I took ideas from future price. So I check everything in future for gold, also for dollar index, for Nasdaq. I check future price as well too. It gets me the accurate price. Like when I type, let's say in CFD or in indices, if I type Nasdaq or Euro USD, the chart will be different charts on the like forex.com, FXCM. There are so many charts. So it doesn't give me the accurate price if I'm do some
Mm.
scalping or something like that. So I just take the idea from future price, like uh, gaps and all, and then I use that chart as my uh, part of analysis. But I don't trade on future.
Mm. And you're right, the price is not the same. But also even between different brokers.
Yes, yes, yes.
I work with a few brokers on my personal accounts, and prices are sometimes even five
Different.
pips different. Yeah,
Yes, yes.
which is
You can see
difficult.
here, future price right now is 3,994, and
Where do you
in
check it?
gold, sorry,
Where are you checking the future price?
it's on trading view GC
Trading
one
view.
slash,
Yeah.
yeah. It's 3994, and in gold it is 397.
Mm-hmm.
And I think there is a correlation with futures and CFD price. Like you will see a higher price in futures comparatively CFD, and
Mm-hmm.
most of the time CFD chart chase futures price. This is something I noticed like few days back. And
Mm.
I think Hiramani, your take profit is hit. It's 3972.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Is it? Yeah. I'm waiting for mine 3977, and I just trail my stop a little bit, like 20 pips. I just trail, and we're looking forward to trail more to break even once I
Seven
see
seven
some.
to the downside.
No, 3977 is my take profit.
Oh, 39. Oh, take profit. I thought your
Yeah.
entry and say, wow.
No, no,
Mm-hmm.
no.
Okay.
I show you some. Can you see my screen,
Oh
Rosa?
yeah, yeah, no. Oh no,
Can
no.
you
I
stop
saw
yours?
your, yeah. I saw that. I saw your screen. That's why I wasn't sure what you were talking about now. Because I saw your trade.
Wait a minute, I'll show you something. Mm.
The only thing I'm missing from FundingPips is that you don't have, so you have a limit loss, a daily limit loss.
Mm-hmm.
I wish there
There's no
wasn't
limit.
any. Yes, there is on the prop. So let me check.
No, I'm using Pro account. My Rosa, there is no
FundingPips, the
limit.
Pro, it's there's daily limit 3%, daily loss.
Okay. You're talking about CFD?
No, futures.
I didn't know this.
I just checked yesterday because I was missing that.
Please tell me, else I lose my account.
So the Pro Plus. Oh, it's not. What did I?
It's
Oh yeah,
not.
no,
Rosa,
but it's
it's not.
the
There is
100K.
only 4%. 2,000 trailing on 50K account, and 50K account is best. Even more than 100K I see as per my like.
50 account is end of day, trailing loss. That's fine. Consistency. What did I look yesterday? Yesterday I was having a look to that, and I thought, oh, there's a maximum daily loss, and I thought they'd change it. What was I looking at? So do you buy the 50K instead of
Yeah,
the 100? But let me see the differences.
the profit target to like total drawdown is pretty good, and it has a good potential, like even more than 100K, because we have same like
It's less, yeah.
same limit on like you cannot withdraw more than $5,000 even on 100K account. So it's good. You can buy 50K, 250K of 100K. It will give you like $10,000 withdrawal limit at a weekly basis. Yeah, I'm going to show you something. Mm. I'm going to share my screen.
Okay.
Yeah, in the Asian session, I took this trade on my futures account. Like you can see, this was the previous day highs on. Yeah, this was the previous day high on gold. So I was looking at the chart at the morning, but I missed to enter here. So I decided to enter here, and within 2 or 3 candles, just give me my take profit. And I think I'm about to complete my evaluation account. So I like a lot like funding ticks, because when it's come to like you just have to quick in and quick out, simple as that. You don't have to make big profits in order to like chasing big profits. So yeah, it's good. And
Taufiq, I can see your screen. Are you sharing?
yeah, I'm sharing mine.
I can see your screen.
Oh, let me check. Oh, wait a minute.
You can still try.
Yeah, just try a few more times. Sometimes it gets stuck.
So meanwhile, I will share my chart. Okay. So the TP is hit now for my goal setup. So it was a very good setup for me. Just one is to risk to reward. And for gold, my plan is until silver came to this all-time high, I'm still bullish on gold. So if I get some good retracement until this level, then I will go for another setup, a very small rig setup it will be. And for GBP USD, I'm just short on London session today, so still running. This is also 1:2 risk to reward. So my TP is over somewhere here. So let's see. And I have a plan for New Zealand dollar. I want to see to take out this trend line liquidity. So this will be a very good setup. This was on my this was not in funded account. This was in my personal account. Just a small percentage. I risk only 0.25 on this setup. So, and for NAS, I'm still bullish on NAS, but I want to see some retracement. So I want to wait until 9:30 opening for NASDAQ. So that will be my plan. And for DXY, for dollar index in my last live, I think 1 week before, I already shared this setup. Like there is very likely to go up for dollar index until this high. So after a very long consolidation, I see this is like a manipulation, and it taken out this low and all of this liquidity, and I can see a break of structure over here, retracement again, and somewhere here I took a sell on GBP USD. I hope it was from here. I took this sell as well, this drop as well, when dollar index comes from this fair value gap, and it doesn't take out this high. So till now I'm still bullish until this high for dollar index. So it was a very nice price action for dollar. It came back for retracement after this break of structure, and it came back to this order block with this fair value gap. It respected very nicely, and after that I can see this swing low, and it goes up straight to this level. And this week I can see for dollar index is weekly opening is gap up opening, this one. So it was a very nice setup for me for this week. So if I got TP today, then I will be done for this week. Because the NAP is already postponed from previous week to this week. So the US government is in shutdown right now. That's why this week will be NAP. So I don't want to participate further if I got TP today. That's my plan.
Okay. Hermani, can you stop your screen now?
Sure.
I already shared mine. I don't know what's wrong. Yeah. Can you see now?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Now.
Yes, now we can see.
Yeah. So I just my break even is hit on gold. And I was showing my futures trade in the morning, which I take. Like this was the previous day highs on 1 minute time frame. So I was waking up at that time, so I saw price giving me a notification that this sweep the previous day high, and I missed this move to enter here. So I decided to enter, and within 1 2 candle with one contract only, it give me $900 profit, because I cannot make more than that. If I make, that will disbalance my consistency. So yeah, this is enough. Like if you're trading futures account, one trade a day is enough. Like if you have a 2,000 trailing loss, and after that, like if trade is giving me stop loss, so if I'm chasing price here and there, that will definitely definitely going to blow my account, because we have a limited drawdown $2,000. And if you are trading with one contract with like 20 people stop loss, that will be good. $250 loss, and take profit is like good for me. It was actually 1:3 almost. So yeah, that's how I trade futures. And just I take a break even on gold here. Not even break even, it gave me a little bit loss, 20 pips. So yeah, looking forward to see some more buyers in NY Open. Let's see how this will play out. And 1 hour time frame. Let's see how this is looking on 1 hour time frame. Yeah, this is rejecting from here. Let's see how this will give us another buy or not. Actually, I'm looking for some retracement on gold, like after this stop loss. If it gives some more deep retracement, then I'll look for a buys again.
If gold takes out this low, 3953 low. So if does takes out once again, then I will be interested to buy again on gold.
Which level you said, Hermani?
3954 level.
Okay, 395. Yeah, that's good. And even if I did a stop loss again, then I will blindly follow Rosa's signal to recover my losses. Simple as that.
I'm waiting, guys. I'm just trying to get set up for this afternoon.
And I noticed so many times whenever I did a early bias before NY open, either it give me like stop loss or break even. Very rare it gave me take profits. So yeah, this was again a early bias for me. Yeah. Anyways, do you guys think this will sweep 3956?
3956.
It
That's a
could.
bit low to me, but it's possible.
Yeah, it's good level. And one more thing that I think there is no news today. So it could be like not giving more bias in London session, NY session. It could like just consolidating here and in the like that in this range. Because we have
Taufiq,
yeah.
sorry, but you said 3956.
Yeah.
Okay, I have my level 3956.59. So yes, it will hit it.
Yeah, we have a signal, guys. We have a signal. And actually, 15 minutes is like it's telling us that we are going to 3956 on Rosa's level.
Yeah, at least I want to see 3962 level.
Yes.
3962.
Yeah, 62 is where my area that I showed you before is.
Yeah.
62. You guys are saying 62? It's already
Yes,
marked
62,
there.
yeah,
It's
it's
already
a
marked there.
possibility.
I notice we all are following different concepts. I think some follow ICT, some price action. End of the day, we all have a same levels on buying on selling. Like you guys are saying 3962. Rosa Hiramani is win, and also I have same level here.
Let's see how it goes. It's extremely bullish though, but I'm expecting a retracement.
Yeah. Let's pick some questions. Someone is saying how we can get discount on funding takes. Use my code TAUFIQ. You will get 35% off. Guys, ask some question if you have, because we are just waiting for the price. 157 people are watching. Guys, just hit the like button and subscribe to the Trading TV channel. It's giving you a free knowledge, free live executions where you are not going to pay anything to anyone.
Yes.
Yeah, someone is saying.
3962, someone saying is reachable. Yeah. Anything's reachable. I mean, someone's down below, VTG said 3956 is too low, and it is, but it's very possible. So we all know gold and how it plays out sometimes. So it's to me, it's pretty clear. It can get to 4,000, but when the timing is, that's why I'm expecting a retracement. And the lower the retracement, the more people are just swept out of the charts, and then big hands can play as they wish. So that's why I think it's 3956. It's very very affordable, and it's only, I think it's 100 point. Yep, 100 point away from where it is now. So it's not that much.
Mhm.
Someone is asking how to control over trading. Just don't watch the price. Just don't watch the
Yes.
chart. Simple as that. If you keep watching charts after giving a stop loss,
Mm.
you will see like, oh, 1 minute we are going to go up, bullish candle, bearish candle, this, that. A lot of chaos will be there. So it's better
Yeah.
to do something else in life, man, like other than trading. If you have a like consecutive 2 3 losses, just stop the
Yeah,
trading day. And if you are not stopping, you are going to like the trading will destroy you totally, man. I'm telling you with my experience. The biggest enemy of a trader is over trading and driven trading as
Yes.
well. So
As a
it's
trader, the worst nightmare is that when I took an entry for buy, from that moment I will see for sell setup.
yeah.
When
mm.
Like
when
I will tell you, like let me tell you something. I just took a break even. So what I will see, I'll see price make a doji, it give another engulfing candle bearish, prices reaches on this level. Let's took a short on this and put your stop loss there, take profit there. So you will see, keep seeing like that, like this will happen, and you know it very well. Nothing is going to be happen except losing money on that time. So it's better if you are just done for the day. If you have rules like 2 or 3 consecutive losses, and after that you are going to take some irrational decision, so it's better to stop that day. I'm telling you with my experience. My last month was terrible just because of these stupid mistakes. And then
Mm.
later on, I realized I just took a trade in Asian session, only one trade on my all CFDs account and all futures account. And after that, I just came here on Trading TV and just did a execution where I tell you guys that whenever I did a entry in before NY open, early buys, it's most of the time give me stop loss or break even only. Very rare time it give me take profits. So like you
Mhm.
should know when which time frame and which sessions, which time zone give you the most losses. Simple as that. It's better to learn from someone else's mistakes to like doing your own. You're saving your money, man.
So, as of my opinion, to avoid over trading, so just if you see your setup, just took your trade, set your TP and stop loss, and turn off your laptop and computer. That's it
Yeah.
until it gets your TP or stop loss. Just try this one. I try this one in my initial times, so it helped me a lot.
You are talking about this. I did so many times. I just delete my MT5. I just delete my MT5 in my early days. And and sometimes this works for me. Like how to be disciplined, man. This how to be disciplined, guys. Just starting being disciplined in your day-to-day life. Do some workout, meditations, and whatever you think that this is
Yes.
discipline. Doing your own things at your own,
Hmm.
making your own phone. This kind of thing will make you disciplined. And
Mm.
recently, I talked about discipline in my documentary reel, which is going on Instagram. That if you wanna being disciplined in market, you need to be disciplined your day-to-day life. Simple as that. If you're not doing workout, if you are just doing smoking,
Yes.
eating junk and this and that, you're not going to be disciplined trading for sure. I'm telling you with my experience, guys. And if you are like
Yes.
a dopamine trader, if you are like frustrating, if you are like if you need something and you are just thinking just enter buy and sell, so you will lose. Simple as that, I'm telling you.
Mm. Agree with you. I'm just checking the Pro Plus, the 50K you said. Um,
Rosa, just buy it with my suggestion. I'm telling you, this is my suggestion. You will love it because you are 1 minute time frame trader. That's why I'm telling you. And like this is actually a cheat code. I think I have not withdrawn any money from future so far. I just started last week, and actually FundingPips I started last week. But I am very sure that what will happen within next 1 month. So yeah, it's very good for the
I'm sure as
especially for
well.
the yeah, especially for the scalpers. If you are a no
Hmm.
drawdown trader, if you like don't hold losing losses we are going to make it happen. Like, and if you have a bad habit of holding the losing trade, it will give you
I
like
used to work with another prop firm on futures with no consistency, which it was fantastic. So very similar conditions that funding takes, but no consistency. And I was able to withdraw every 5 days. And in the beginning, it took me like 1 or 2 weeks. I keep trying, but then profits and withdrawals started coming over, and it was just literally crazy. It's so fast you can withdraw from prop firms with futures, but you have to give yourself a week or two, or even 3 weeks, just to gain shape,
Yeah.
as I say. But
mm.
seeing there's 40% on the 50K, there's 40% consistency.
It's
Okay.
in a evolution only. It's for evolutions only, not
Yes,
for the funded.
okay. And then the maximum, all right. Oh, okay. So, oh, you can decide whether you want $1,000
Yeah,
cap or a 5,000,
5,000.
5,000 every 5 days.
Yeah,
All
on
right.
same. This is same for the 100K. So it's better to like trade with 50K. Like what I actually believe in that. 50K is
Okay,
pretty good.
so fantastic. So evaluation, you need 3 days just to get with them, kind of 3 days.
Yeah, that's why I told you now that I exit my position.
Hmm.
I exited my position only 90 like 19 $900 profit.
Yeah,
Oh,
900. Yeah, 900 is, yeah, is what it has to be. Yeah. Just doing my math here.
oh, sorry. I was sharing my screen.
Yeah.
What I just did, guys. Sorry.
What are you showing? Is that your bank details?
No. This was actually a different firm where I was trading. Let me a minute to stop my screen first of
Okay,
all.
so $900 every day, and then the third day it's like around 700, and then it's 5 days. You have to make at least 250 a day.
Yeah,
So that's the minimum.
no, it will count as a single minimum trading day if you make like $250
At
dollars.
least $200, not 250, $200.
Yeah, whatever it is.
All right, and then you need 5 days. All right, but there's no consistency.
Yeah, on master there is no consistency. And I was
Okay.
sorry, I was telling something like in my futures experience. Give me a minute. I was trading of a prop firm where I was making profit every day. I have to make 15 days profit, and my total profit so far is $8,000. But the thing is that I cannot withdraw more than 2,500 at a time. And this is something like which I personally don't like at all. Like if I'm making money, I should got in funding takes. Like in funding takes, if you're making money, you can withdraw your like $5,000, and later on you can withdraw the remaining amount as well. So that's why I told you in the early that funding takes is pretty good. Actually, a good form like for the traders, for the beginner future traders.
But and when you withdraw, the balance is set to 50K plus 100, something like that.
No, on master account, basically there you have to make a buffer of $2,000, and
2000.
later on after that you can withdraw your money 60%, and the remaining amount will be in your like trading account. You can withdraw and next time, and also you can use this for trailing loss as well.
Okay,
Gold
so
is
it's
just going
important
up.
you to make the five, so 2000 for the buffer,
Yeah,
and
buffer is
then
mandatory. Later
5000
on.
if you want to hit the top. So it's 57 that you
So
have to make.
basically, yeah. So basically, if you want to withdraw $5,000 at a time, you like require $10,000, I guess, total profit, and of $10,000, 60% will be like $6,000, and $6,000, you will get 90% profit split. So that will be $5,000. I did complete math on this.
And why 60%? I'm not seeing this on
Check
the
out
5.
frequently asked question
Yeah, I'm
on
there. Let me check it out.
Actually, I was opening funding text and by mistake, I open someone's different song. Give me a minute, okay? Funding text. Yeah, here we go.
Goal is shooting up again.
Yes, I see.
Here you can read Rosa on reward section. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, let me
Read
check.
here. If you choose reward split, applied. If you made profit, give me a minute.
Wow, 60%. Hmm.
Did you check?
So you can get up to 60%. So wow, but that's the buffer plus the 60%. So which is 3,000. The remaining 40, which is 2,000, will stay in your account. So
Someone is asking this firm is good or not. Bro, just buy FundingPips account. Think about other firm only when you are like max allocated with FundingPips. I don't know why people ask FundingPips or different firm. There should be no point. Like a prop firm which paid out $160 million to traders, and there are a lot of firm who are even have not paid 10% of that. So why are you guys comparing FundingPips with the like what I can say? Just buy FundingPips account. Simple as that. And everything is in front of you guys. And FundingPips doesn't require promotions at all. It's a brand in itself. And I think gold will not give us entry.
Let's see. Why is no one buy on ZU? Bro, I have a position for sale in GBP USD. My take profit is around 133,689 level. That is my TP. Nasdaq going up, gold going up, every asset is going up.
Tell me who else is waiting for a recession?
the three of us plus.
Everyone is waiting, and in my life I have never picked a top and bottom. Like I pick so many times, but never hold the complete movements. I'm waiting, man. Yeah, I just took a huge bottom and top, and just retired my whole family.
That's what I want to.
So this Q4 will gonna be a very nice 2-3 months ahead in front of us.
And this year gold is very unexpected. Very unexpected. Even Warren Buffett cannot predict the market right now. Look at the 1 day time frame. What's happening? Where you will buy? Where you will buy? Just tell me. Just tell me. Is it?
Anywhere.
Is it? Is it?
With
One thing is for is this is the 100% traders dream entry. I wish could enter here. And this is not so far. This was March 2024. Oh my God. Imagine someone holding one lot in this position. Crazy.
I'm not sure how many people can do that because at the end, if you let's assume you are in with one lot and you are 300 points already, how many more points do you expect for gold to go? So I would take the money, honestly. Like Okay, I'll take the money right now for sure, and then I'll regret when I see this.
For the rest of your life.
That yeah, but I will do it again the moment I have the opportunity. I will go,
Yeah,
I will
yeah,
go and buy one more lot, and then I'll take the money
yeah.
after 100 points.
Hmm.
So it's a nature, and it's
And if you
an
look at
incredible amount.
the chart, how easy it is looking like
Yeah,
yeah. But when it's come to trading, it will be very tough. Yeah, man. It will look like selling from
yeah.
here, there. Yeah, this is something which market can does only.
So the best part for now in for like for any asset, for let's say for crypto or any commodities, it will be just buy it and hold it. Like
Mm.
not asset trading, but you can
It is
buy
investment.
yeah, as an investment. And I
Mm.
hope silver will do well comparing to gold in coming 2 to 3 years.
Mm.
Guys, in my early days, I was like thought that you should never believe in news. So few months back, I was hearing from someone that China is keep buying gold, and there are a lot of demand of gold and silver in China. So I was thinking like just do again like the opposite of this, just keep sell it.
Sell.
Someone told me na, that the majority news in market is just for the manipulation. And I was
Mm.
thinking, oh man, I got the cheat code. I will just do opposite of that. I'll make money and shit happens.
Yes, the
It's
thing is
just
that interest rate is cut in September already, and now I hope two more interest rate is gonna cut
Mm.
within this December. So it will be very huge for commodities and risk asset like crypto. So and the let's say yes, M2 money supply is rising continuously. It
too
was
many,
rising.
what you said, too many supplying
M2
for
money
gold.
supply. M2 money supply globally.
Okay,
So
Mm.
it
okay.
was a liquidity. Like if there is a bull run in gold or any other asset, there must be a liquidity, right? So this liquidity will come from countries to countries. So M2 money supply is rising very, very hard. And at the top of that, Federal Reserve is cutting interest rate again. So it pushes the price of the market. And the plus point is the US dollar is going down. So that's why all of the asset is going up crazy. Gold is making another all-time high again right now.
Yes, it
I'm
is.
tired of watching this. I'm tired of watching this, man. Every day we have another high, and every day we have another high.
From last 2 3 months, we are waiting retracement and miss the trade. We are waiting for retracement and miss the trade.
And it actually traps so many people. Like whenever I open like my Instagram, I see someone is saying this will be the top, this will be the top, and top it not ready to come right now. Okay, I'm seeing DXY. But I don't know. I see the price action that we have a like bottom for DXY. Hiramani, can you see, bro? I usually don't see DXY
Hmm.
since I stopped trading for like forex pairs, but it is looking like a bottom.
Yes.
And one more confidence is that
Mhm.
I believe, and I'm it's my just perception and my view that we can see some correction after reaching 4,000. It's a big psychological number for gold.
Yes. Yes.
And the DXY is like, for me it's like a bottom. I don't know how many will agree with me, but so far I'm using the like price action. It is actually
It
looking like.
Yeah, but it may not be bottom, but it can go for some retracement upside in higher time
Yeah,
frame.
just saying that the way it's falling, the way it's just falling, this could be the place where we can do some huge retracement here
Hmm.
or there. And 4 hour time frame is like looking good as well, but it's in consolidation as well. Yes. And we have a gap here that has to be filled. On
And
Monday, it was a huge gap opening.
from the data of seasonality also, like
Hmm.
I'll show you a chart from seasonality.
Yeah, please.
Uh,
I stopped sharing my screen now.
okay.
You can share yours.
Mm, can you see my screen?
Not yet. Now.
Okay, so let me check once. So this is a US dollar seasonality chart. So you can see in this very small part, from almost from September, mid, let's say from October, the dollar is very, very in bullish momentum until November. So this was a data for 20 years. Like let's say now is 2025. So this data is coming from last 20 years data. So it's kind of a seasonality chart. And again, when I see on this DXY dollar index chart, when interest rate is cutting and after interest rate cut is done, so the dollar index is bullish for some at least for 1 to 2 months. So that's how I can see for dollar index. So let's see how it works.
Let's wait.
It could get some retracement again. My target is this equal highs for DXY for this week. Nasdaq is forming another all-time high right now. It's crazy, bro.
Do you trade futures, Hermani?
I don't trade futures, but I check all future price. I check Nasdaq future, S&P future, gold future, and dollar index
Like
future as
like
well.
how it give you confidence to like analyzing CFD charts?
See, for example, let's say uh, for GBP USD, when I type GBP USD, it will be so many charts. So on the so many data will be there. So this are all it's all similar, but sometimes it got difference. Like in sometimes it got in Wanda we have some we can see some gap, but in forex.com there is no gap. So there's a little bit different. So I want to check on uh, future chart. So future is only provided by CME data.
Hmm.
So there will be only one chart for future. That's why I take the accurate price from future. Like if I want to see any gap or something like that, I will check for the future price.
And I'm looking at the gold. I think this will be just go 4,000 from the current market price. This will not going to come back on the before going 4,000.
Mhm.
Mm.
I'm waiting for silver all-time high to break out. After that, I will wait for some retracement, bro. Otherwise, gold is at very, very premium level.
Yeah, exactly.
Rosa, you have any setup for now? Any idea?
No, absolutely nothing. So I was checking the setup I use on gold. I was checking it on the GBP. But there's nothing either. So
I'm holding this trade, but the 3 hour time frame candle closing is very nice. So it can go for some retracement until somewhere here. That is totally fine for me. And again, it will go down. So let's see. This low will be a very nice setup for Euro USD. But I miss on Euro USD, so I took on GBP USD.
Euro USD. Let me check. Never seen it.
I see Euro USD. It's in consolidation. Like very choppy price action. Too much.
Nothing to me here.
I think someone said there is FOMC today. Is it really?
Okay, let me check.
Yeah, no. There is no FOMC today. What are you
I
saying,
think
bro?
it was tomorrow.
It is tomorrow, 11:30 Indian time. Yeah, it will be tomorrow, bro. Every gambler is like, this FOMC will give a reversal, this NFP will give a reversal. But this is just going up, man. This is just going up.
Euro GBP. Someone's asking to Taufiq. Here is in consolidate on the
Euro
MY and
GBP. Let me see. Euro GBP.
I think Euro GBP is going down.
Okay, guys. Whoever was asking, you got your answer, man. If HERAMANI is saying, you have to be like think again to go against
Oh,
him.
like actually this EU and GU are similar movement. Like if Euro USD is in bullish, GBP USD must be in bullish.
Can I share my screen,
So
HERAMANI?
yeah, sure.
Okay, I think it will be showing. Is it visible now?
Yes.
Yeah, if you see the Euro GBP chart,
But
one day time
we
frame,
can't see your chart.
you cannot see my charts.
no.
Yeah, you are sharing your this Tradin.
Wait a minute. Okay, now I think you will be able to see.
No.
Okay, we can see.
Yeah, I agree with HERAMANI that the correlation is like similar with Euro GBP as well. And this kind of price action I personally don't like, which give a moment downside and then suddenly go to a deep retracement and then go back down and make a like a bullish candle, which probably like go there
So
like this.
for personally for me for Euro GBP, I don't like. I want to see the price in consolidation for Euro GBP
Yeah.
because when the price is in consolidation for Euro GBP, the correlation for EU and GU will be perfect. And when there is lots of divergence in EU and GU, this Euro GBP chart will be in momentum, like it will be in bullish or it may be in bearish.
We are just 190 pips away
Hmm.
from 4,000.
Literally crazy.
Guys, remember I just stop out here. Can you see my face? Zero fucks. Zero fucks. Cause it's not new for me. It's happened so many times. And now it don't give me like pain, or you can say anything. Just give their consolation, and then I guess 65, 75, 160 pips away from my exit. Yeah, so let's pick out some question. Is there anything cooking, guys? Here, Rosa especially.
No, I'm trying to find something, but there's nothing, and I have to wait, which is boring sometimes.
Actually, I was thinking on this moment, but as Hiramani said, the price is on too much premium level, so I ignored this one as well. And I am still seeing this thing, same thing here for the continuation, but the same reason of not taking this trade is too much premium level. And every candle is just breaking previous candles highs. Just another confluence of bullishness. So yeah.
If there's any reversal, might come before 4,000. I was
I got,
reversal already, so no.
bro, even I don't expect a retracement before $4,000.
Yes. For me, I expect retracement after silver get at all-time high. After that, only I will hope for some retracement.
There's a question here for me. Rosa, how have you earned rewards of 120,000 trading? I mean, I am very aggressive on prop firms, and I've been working with 3 prop firms. Nowadays, I only work with FundingPips because I'm a bit lazy, but I've been working with these 3 prop firms, being very aggressive and having the cash to keep buying accounts. So I did my maths. I don't know if you were in the live stream maybe 30, 40 minutes ago when I was talking to Taufiq, and I say, I'm doing my maths here just to checking out one of the accounts. And it's because I've got templates for everything. So I know how much money do I have to make in one single day, in 2 days, if there's consistency, if there is not. So I do my magic there with my templates, and then I ask myself, can I buy 10 of these accounts like every 5 days or 10 days? If it's a no, I won't trade that. But luckily I can do that. So when I do buy a lot of accounts, and I lose a lot of accounts. That's a bit true. The other day, like, I don't know, a month ago, I don't know who was on the live stream, but we were discussing how many accounts have I blown up, and the rest of the guys in the live stream. And I don't know, I haven't counted, but it's very, very feasible blowing, 150 to 200 accounts, 250, because I'm very aggressive. So I don't, I trade to the maximum loss and to the maximum profit. That's why I made it. So it's a math. Prop firms are a math game. In my opinion, it has nothing to do with a personal account, because in my personal account that I showed you before, if I lose £1,000 or €1,000, this is actually €1,000. But on a prop firm, I pay $100, and if I lose $1,000 on one trade, I haven't lost 1,000. I have lost $50 out of this 100. So if you do your math, it's very cheap. Working with prop firms is super cheap. Super cheap. I hope it helps. So, but won't making a daily goal of profit make you take bad setups? I don't have a daily goal. I don't know the rest of you, but I don't. I first trade today on my personal account was a loss, and I kept trading because it wasn't the maximum loss I have for my personal account, and it was a nice setup. So I traded, and I recovered part of the losses, but I didn't recover all. And I didn't take the third trade just thinking about recovering. I just took it because I had to. It's my setup. It's an A+ setup, so I have to go in. So I don't have a daily goal. Otherwise, it'll blow my mind, because I will overtrade just trying to get to this profit, and things are like that. And not every day you do the same thing or you achieve the same at work. So trading is the same. It depends on the day. You can see me. I'm doing nothing this nearly hour and a half because there's no setups. So I don't know.
Someone is saying for 100K account, as per risk management, what the minimum lot can take trading USD It will be always depends on the stop loss in pips. If you are thinking like that, you have to make 20, 10 lots, 15 lots, 20 lots. And if your stop loss is too much big, so that's going to give you trouble. So it's better you should find out your stop loss. Like if you have a 10 pip stop loss, how much actually you have to take lots. Do calculation just like if I'm talking about gold. If I have a 100K account and if I'm doing entering with 5 lots, I know after 20 pips stop loss, it will give me 1% loss. And after like 40 pips towards my side, it will give me 2% profit. So you should be calculated like that. Like always based on pips and stop loss.
Yep.
Sorry, guys. I'm laughing because there's a comment saying that's for me like Jesus Christ. It's a very Spanish expression when you when you are surprised. It's like very, very aggressive. Yes, it is. And someone said I'm doing nothing wrong. I mean, prop firms have written rules, and I'm not doing anything illegal. I'm just reading the rules and I'm playing with the rules. So it's legal. And someone saying me having a daily goal is very important. Please work on it. Okay, I'll work on it, Davis. But then if I have a 3%, let's say 3% daily goal, what do I do if I hit this daily goal? But I have more setups and then this specific day, I could make a 10%. Why do I have to stop on a nice day? And why do I have to keep trading on a bad day? Let me just have something here. So it's 7th. It's day 7th of the month, and my personal account is up 16.7% already. And that's because I don't have a daily goal. Because the day I have to trade, I trade. And if I had a bad day, I could do more trades That's it. And did I recover the losses today? But I think I did like 1% today or 0.5. See, the day is gone for me. I will take entry during the live stream if there's an opportunity, but with a very, very, very low risk, just to show you how I trade, but not because I want to recover or to get this daily profit. I don't think you have to. You have to take what the market's giving you day on day. Because last week, in one day, I made like 11%. That's a lot
On
of
the
money
live account? On the live account or platform account?
on no my live account. All these
Okay,
numbers are
nice.
live account.
Mhm.
So I didn't want to stop trading because the market and myself were like dancing together. I
Mhm.
was in the flow. So why should I stop? Um, but I had to stop today. It wasn't my day. And Joshua is asking, how do I control my emotions? Because it's a business, there's no emotions. Um, I just trade when I have to. And when I'm not synchronized with the market, I stop trading. So,
For me, I don't have any profit target uh, for weekly or daily. I just have only loss limit. Like
Same
if
here.
I
yeah,
lost if I lost 2%, then I'm done for the day.
of
Same
course,
here.
with
And for
good thing.
example, if I set my target to, let's say, I will stop when I reach 2% per day, then let's say if I am up 1.5%, then I will feel like there is only half percent to reach 2%. So again, I will try to enter one more. Then it will, at the end of the day, it will the result will be in negative. So the only thing I have is in loss limit. So it helps
Mm.
me a lot.
Of course, you have to have this stop limit.
Hmm.
How many accounts have I passed? Um, Out of 200 accounts you've purchased, maybe a third, maybe 50, 30, 60. I don't know, but maybe a third. Yeah.
Okay, 11% you realize how much that is.
I do realize how much is 11% of my account,
Like,
and you don't even know how much money is in my account. I won't show. So, but it's not every day like that. Sometimes I
like
have
these days are the
different.
golden few days. Very like you will see very rare days like this. 11%. Someone is like, why you are like scaring bro? Like she make 11%. It's not a big deal. If you have a good day, if you pick a bottom of the day, like the market is so bullish nowadays. If we just took a bottom here, it is not going to be like much making 11% in this wholesome move. So
But again, not every day is an 11% day.
yeah, that's what I'm
So
saying.
depends. So consistency, doing the same thing over and over.
Like look at the sign, Zamco. Zamco blows so many accounts, but end of the day he's in profits.
Yeah, it was Samco. I
He
I
made
mentioned, yeah.
yeah, he lost I think for the 4 or 5 year consecutively, and then in the 1 year he make 600 $6 lakh profit overall, 600K. So
Blown
that's
like he
insane
said,
number.
he's blown like 100 or 200 accounts as well. So it was Samco, the one I was talking to regarding how many. accounts we blew together, and it was between 100 and 200 each. So it's the only way you can
And Rosa, I
have
think this
big
is
profit.
the number game, totally number game for
It's a
firms. Like
numbers, yeah.
if you're buying 10 accounts, like most probably in worst to worst case, you will get withdrawal at least on one account, and the rest 5 account you will blow in phase one or phase two. But there's a like a number you should know about your burning rate of accounts. So if you're thinking you buy 10 account, you if you think you buy 2 account, 3 account, and you blow it up and you are crying. So prop firms actually don't work like that, bro. If you see the successful people stories, look at the Zamco, Rosa, Hermani. A lot of people
Yeah.
are there, including everyone who's trading on trading stream. Everyone's blows account. I don't know who is denying for that I don't blow account, bro. This is only 10% you are allowed to lose. So you, if you are doing all the calculation, you still will be lose for sure.
Yes.
Yes, it's going to happen no matter what.
So I lost more than 35 accounts till now in funded account.
And how many did you buy so far? Have you bought so far?
Um, I hope almost around 45 to 50, I guess.
Yeah, so the
And
numbers are similar. One out of three
Hmm.
you get to withdraw.
and actually, Hiramani is a passive trader. I see. He took like a monthly reward cycle. You told me
Yes.
Hiramani once that you took like monthly reward cycle.
Yeah, I
So
took
don't you feel
monthly
like
reward cycle.
don't you feel
Like,
like that
okay,
you
continue.
like I'm asking that don't you feel like that I should get withdrawal in my hand as soon as possible from prop firms or like any even if you are into broker buying trading on broker.
Hmm. So I'll tell you one thing. In my personal account, if I was in profit,
Mhm.
uh, I will withdraw half of my profit and I will give half of my profit to grow my account. That's my plan for my personal account.
Mhm.
And for funded account, I was trying for weekly withdrawal before time. So when I keep my reward cycle in weekly cycle, then sometimes I feel like I have to withdraw every week. So I force myself to took the entry. So I
Mm.
Mhm.
give I change that cycle to monthly reward cycle, and then slowly I will took, let's say, around in the month I took only maximum from 10 to 15 trades. That is my average trade for monthly. So if I was up for 2 to 3%, then I will stop trading on that account, and then I will wait for the reward cycle. And until that time, I will buy another account, or I will do another challenge, or I will trade on another master account. So uh, in a single account, the reward will be in 30 days, but when I have multiple accounts, it will be rotation, like
Hmm.
in 7 to 8 days I got some rotations. So I play like that in funded account, and in my personal account it was different story.
Well, it has nothing to do, right? Personal account with
Hmm.
prop firm's account. These are two very different worlds. Nothing to do, and the way you approach, it's completely different. It's opposite, I must say.
Hmm.
It
So
has.
guys, can we see some retracement now for the buys and looking forward. mm,
For gold, if I buy here, I will wait at least 3975 level.
I think it will be early to buy even on the current market price. I want to see some like breathing for the price, the way it's dropping. I want to see some like a little bit consolidation on one minute time frame, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles. Then we'll look forward to see the reaction coming from the price action.
Hmm.
And I think we have 6 minutes left for the NY Open.
Hmm.
So yeah, we can see some like volatility, some unexpected price action as well. So it's better to wait for some breathe for the price. What's your level, Rosa, by the way?
Sorry?
What's your level now?
Wow, no, it's the same level as before. Didn't change, so I don't have any chance to take any trade today. My level is just still 3956, so it's impossible. It's very difficult,
No,
at
no,
least in
it's
the.
possible as well. And whenever you're saying anyone saying no, impossible.
Impossible, and then it'll hit my
Nothing is
level.
impossible. Yeah.
No, I know,
The-
but it's a big movement now. So because I won't go on a buy just by hitting the level. So then I have to find my setup, the last
yeah.
Yeah.
confirmation. So I don't think in the next 30 minutes on the live stream I'll be able to take any trades, which is very frustrating to me sometimes, I must say, because I like people just to see live trading.
Mm-hmm.
But
Mm.
gold is better in the morning, at least I think so, in the London session.
Hmm.
Okay, 4 minutes. Let me check.
Someone's level is 67. Yeah. Mm. Not bad. Discounted level, yes.
Nasdaq. Nasdaq, I took some trades. Well, not me. I have to be honest. It was the robot, but I designed it. So, so let me show you. I can show you this so
Sure.
you can see. These are real trades on my personal account. Something's wrong with my computer lately. So I'm going to share my screen. Can you see it?
I
Let
can
me
see
stop.
Taufiq.
No, let me stop once.
Okay,
Yeah,
I'll
go
try then
ahead.
again. Yep.
Mm-hmm.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Gosh, come on. I see it on the background though. So it says you're on the show, like my screen's on the show, but it doesn't show in the middle of the.
Just stop and like try again. It happened with me.
Yeah, I've
Mm-hmm.
tried many times already, but okay, one more time. There's always this thing. Now, okay, so
Yes, yes.
there
Mm-hmm.
it is. So this is today, and I just took these buys here
Okay.
yesterday. They're pretty good. Some sells there, but I haven't been like extremely accurate. These buys there were amazing. I did very well. Well, not me, the robot. I have some ears. This sells well. You can see all the trades. Can you see the arrows? Um,
Yes.
so I think this expert advisor will have amazing results. That was a huge loss, but still need some time to accommodate. But anyway, I just wanted to show you some trades I did this week. Well, the expert advisor did this week, but it didn't. It took only one trade this morning. It was a loss, and that's it. So nothing else to me on Nasdaq. And manual trading, well, manual trading is about to start. So let's see if there's something I can go with.
NYC open. Okay, what's happening? Is it gold falling?
This is it. Oh, it's already started. Okay, it started. Okay. New session. Okay, let's see if I can have an opportunity on Nasdaq. I think it can drop a little bit more, so I'll wait for Nasdaq to retrace. That's the German index. Nothing. Nasdaq clear. All right. Let's do that. Okay, we're ready.
Okay. I want to buy on Nasdaq, but I want to wait until 9:45.
9:45. Okay. I might have here an opportunity. Let's see if I can take it. No, I can't. I won't be able to take it. Nothing yet. And there's another area. Let me change the chart here. All right. Okay, come on. I don't like this opening. It's 20 points. 31. 41. Maybe there's a level there. I don't feel confident yet. Let's check something in here. Yep. Yep.
Yeah.
Gold got some retracement.
Okay, let me check it. Nice one. I'll get an alert here so I don't miss out.
I want to see 3970 level for gold.
390.
3970.
70. Okay.
And from that level, I will wait for my setup.
Just expecting a replacement here and then go buy. Okay, so no, can't. No, I can't. No, not fake.
Rosa, are you planning to buy NES?
I was planning, yeah, but I don't have the opportunity.
Okay.
Okay, cool. Let's put an alert in there. Isn't it?
Yeah, gold is falling.
Yep,
5 minutes is too aggressive.
it's
है.
about to hit your level. Ooh.
It's too aggressive 5 minutes.
There's a level
Save
there.
the 15-minute low.
I want to see a little bit more down.
Yeah. Good call.
I think it is 100 pips fall. 86 to, so yeah, 100 pips. I'm checking comments. I think people are just spamming.
I'll read the comments in a bit.
People are spamming. Yes, ask something.
I hope for goal after 10 it will give some more. Let's see. 20 minutes more.
Nasdaq is going to fly without me. Yeah, but I can't do anything. So
Same here.
$3970. Gold is at
yes,
3970. Look at the 5 minute.
I expect gold to go lower. I see my appetite on gold. Let's see if it drops a little bit.
Bro, best crypto wallet for payout. For my payout, I use decentralized wallet.
Which one you use, Hermani? Which one you use? You said decentralized.
Yeah, decentralized wallet like
Which one?
Trust
Which one? Which one?
Trust
Okay, Trust
Wallet,
Wallet.
Trust Wallet, MetaMask.
Okay, okay. I'll ask more thing about this.
I know nothing about wallets or anything like that. Yeah, I'm a bit embarrassed because I should know something already, but I don't. That's a
Rosa,
cold
don't worry.
reality.
We both use for a reason. Hiramani knows it. We both use it for a reason.
Yeah,
I
but
think
maybe I should too.
I think the Indian audience will understand.
Yeah, I know, but maybe I should use it for the same reason. And
You should be. Then you should be. If there is something like that, then you should be.
yeah, and still I know nothing. So that's when I realize I'm getting very old. So because it's not only that I'm not using them or know nothing about all this crypto world, but it's like I'm not very interested either. So it's like, wow, I'm getting old, too old for that. But yeah, I should at least have a wallet just to show off of having a wallet.
Where is Hiramani? I think he is disconnected.
Okay, I don't have any chance for now at Nasdaq or gold. I'll be here for 15 more minutes. So let's see. Best crypto wallet for payout. And you said what was the name?
MetaMask and Trust Wallet.
Okay, I'm gonna write down that. Okay, as a grandma.
But they are risky. Like if you forget your keys,
Yeah.
you cannot forget. You cannot recover it. That's why I try to stay away from this.
Yes, so I don't like centralized wallet for crypto as well. Even though if I am staying outside India, I will always use decentralized wallet.
Can you share Hiramani, why? If you can, like,
Because for centralized wallet, let's say there is an X company, for example, like we are using this Binance, Coinbase, this and all. If I keep my crypto, if I keep my wallet, that is within that company. So it can be, let's say, for blockchain, nobody can change the blockchain, and there must be like nobody can hack the blockchain, this kind of
Yeah, what you
technical. But if, for example, if we are using any other, it's kind of a broker like Binance also. So it can be centralized, and it is under some like it's under a people. So if they have their own way, so if I have my wallet under Binance, for example, so it's not under my control. It's under control by Binance. So it can be in any time, it can be freezed by the government, or it can be hacked by someone. So if Binance is hacked, my wallet will be gone.
and we see so many scams in like crypto brokers. Even the big names are there. So yeah, I agree with like point of view of Hermani. He has no control on the crypto we have on our wallets.
Mhm. For example,
Rosa,
recently it
can you
was doing with Bybit as well, the hack of Ethereum.
okay?
I think South Korea. I think it was from South Korea. Ethereum is from Bybit. Ethereum is hacked for around 1.2 billion from Bybit. So it was not controlled by the Bybit. So if you have any crypto for me as well, I will use always decentralized wallet.
And is it safe to keep the money there? So do you have a warranty that your money is not going to disappear or something? At least an amount of money?
Yes, but the safest way will be call wallet.
Okay.
Call wallet. Like I'll show you.
And how much money in these things you put your money there? How much money do you have as a warranty? Like for instance, here in Spain, in a traditional bank, they warranty 100k euros.
Mhm.
So if the bank's bankrupt, you still have your warranty of you won't lose 100k. Um, if you have more than that, that's your problem. Then, well,
Mhm.
you decentralize, you have money in several banks. But I don't know how crypto works. So if you have like any warranty like that one, like they say, okay, we warranty, the warranty is, I don't know, for 200k dollars or something like
Okay.
that. Otherwise, it's risky, right?
Yep. But it's very different with crypto and all. In blockchain, it is very different story. So the safest way will be you can buy this kind of call wallet. This is called a call wallet.
Mm-hmm.
So you can keep your any kind of crypto in this wallet, and you can keep it yourself very safely.
Okay.
So nobody can like you can carry any amount in this wallet, any kind of
Oh,
amount
okay.
in. So there is no limit.
So it's and
So
it's up to you if you lose it. If
yes,
you
yes,
lose
yes.
this
It's
thing, it's up to you.
uh-huh.
But it's
Yes, yes.
safe. Okay.
Yeah.
And
And you will have your code as well. Like it's called seed phrase. It
all
will
right.
be with 16 words, random 16 word. That will be your seed phrase. So you have to remember anyhow.
Okay.
So this will be the safest for crypto.
Mhm. Gold just hit your level and it went up again. And Nasdaq just died for a second in between
Mhm.
these two areas I have. So nothing to do.
Okay. I took a small buy on gold right now in 1 minute time
Fantastic.
frame.
Wow, amazing.
So I risk only 0.3% on this trade.
Okay. What's your stop loss, Hermani, by the way?
Stop loss 3969.
Yeah. Actually, I was looking at 3970, but it was too quick and it just went away. And the 5 minute is looking good as Hermani into bias. I'm looking forward.
And my TP is 3995.
I think 3980 could resist the price. 3980 on 1 minute time frame.
Let's see. I already took my profit so far, so I don't just want to risk it all. So if
That was a quick scalp.
Mhm.
Nice one.
And if you're into bias, the probability is automatically increase of getting the take profit. Simple as that.
And yes, again, so many people are asking like, right now they are trading in CFD. They must change to futures, and there are so many misunderstanding right over there. So my simple advice will be, if you are already profitable with CFD, why should you change to future again? That's a simple answer for me.
Wow, nothing to do.
I hope gold gets some retracement to this 3977.
Hmm. $3977 is around there. Okay. This level here is an anchoring point on gold. And this was the other level. And I have another one here. Let me delete this color.
It was returned once again to that level.
Yeah. So these are the two levels I was waiting for. We also have an unfilled anchoring point here, so it's a nice retracement, but let's see.
Yeah, I'm also looking for buys at 3974.
3974.
Yeah.
I have nothing here in this area, so it keeps going up, but my level's there. So I would say 1, 2, 3, 4 levels down below and 1 above. Let's see. There's no more unfilled anchoring points, and when it, well, for what I know on gold, when gold has anchoring points unfilled, usually they have to, it has to fill them, and nevertheless, when it has 1, 2, 3, 4 immediate unfilled anchoring points, so, but I don't know. It's very bullish. Anyway, if these four, at least these 4 levels are not hit now during the session, I'm pretty sure they will be hit before the day ends. I'd be surprised.
I hope so.
If they don't. So
I want to see the silver to push up, but silver is consolidating right now.
Do you want to share your screen? Because I don't have silver here.
Okay, that's okay. It's not sharing again. Okay.
Mm.
So this is a silver. So this is the all-time high level, previous price, all-time high. So right now it is consolidating. But let's see, in a 1 hour time frame, it was quite looking good. So this is my entry for gold.
Guys, how many you use limit orders?
Huh?
How many you guys you use limit orders? Buy limit, sell limit.
I don't use it all.
I only use
Actually,
Nasdaq.
I was about to buy at 397,405, and I bought it on broker. It's showing me 3977. Although it's still in 30 pips profit, but yeah, 30 like 30 pips away. It has been executed above 30 pips. Hmm.
I think it's because of the spread.
Yeah, maybe.
Hmm.
Hmm. Actually, in NY, most of the time it's happened like spreads. Too many fluctuations are there.
Only 3 minutes left for 10. So I hope after 10 it will be we can see some volatility.
And I think it's 2 hours, even more than 2 hours. We're streaming, guys.
Hmm.
Let's wait 2-3
Okay.
minutes more. Or should
Yeah,
we
I'll be
wind up,
here a
guys?
couple of minutes and then I have to leave.
Mhm.
The real bosses are waiting for me.
Oh, yeah, cuties.
Not sure I would say cuties. They bad people.
Oh.
Bad bosses. I usually say they are the worst co-workers I ever had. Because they don't treat people with respect, it's like, I'm sleepy, I want water. And what else do you say? Please. Okay, yeah, but you have to remind them every day. So they're not good co-workers. I'd
Imagine
rather be
Rosa.
here with you guys.
Imagine Rosa isn't losing his streak, and she's just beating his kids, just putting on the frustration. Is it happen with you, Rosa?
Yeah.
Oh my God! What I just said, bro.
Yeah. It's beautiful. So
Oh my
nice,
God.
so lovely all together. All right, guys. I think I'm leaving already. There's nothing for me here.
Yeah,
It's been a pleasure being here
Okay.
yeah. Thank you
with
so
you
much,
all.
guys. It
Take
was
care.
lovely. Take care. Bye
See you
bye.
soon, guys. Bye. Bye.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you everyone for joining.